and I spotted the error part and know the golden rule. If any preposition is followed by any verbs, the verb should be only in gerund form, that means ing form. Okay, and this is the golden rule. And now let's see the Hello everyone, welcome to English World. Today in this video I'm going to solve some questions. Basically, these are spotting the error by knowing the golden rule of English grammar. So hey friends, don't miss that and never forget to hit the like button. Now let's come to the topic. So we have to spot the error part by knowing the golden rule of English grammar. So as I told you, this is spotting the error. Spotting the error means we have to spot the wrong part in each sentence. So here, see, first sentence is like me is reading a book. Me is reading a book. Me is reading a book. Here, this is your subject, okay, and pronoun, and here linking verb. Reading. Reading is your main verb. A book, noun phrase. And in that noun phrase, the word a is your article, and book, noun, which is modifying book. Article modify book, up modify book, a noun. So where is the error part in first sentence? See carefully here and to listen carefully, like me is reading a book. Here this is your pronoun and working as a subject in the sentence. Here concentrate. Me is reading a book. Basically, me is an objective case of pronoun, and here objective case of pronoun is used as a subject. So this is the error part, and I spotted the error part. This is the error part. Why this is the error part? We have to use subjective case of pronoun in subject, not objective case of pronoun. But in object, we can use objective case of pronoun, that is me. Objective case of I is me. So here, objective case of pronoun is used in subject, used as a subject. So this is the error part. So use here, use I. The subjective case of me is I, and you have to put linking verb according to the subjective case of pronoun, like I am. I am reading a book. I am reading a book, and I told you no, this sentence is right. I spotted the error part. Use objective case of pronoun in object and subjective case of pronoun in subject as a subject. So this is the golden rule. You have to learn from the first sentence. As I spotted the error part, like me is reading a book. This sentence is completely wrong. So here, replace me with I and is with am. So the linking verb should be according to the subjective case of pronoun, not according to the objective case of pronoun. That's it. Clear? And here, this is your noun phrase. The article a modifies noun book. And here, object of man verb. Object of man verb. Here in the first sentence, a book, this noun phrase is an object of man verb, reading in form of verb. No doubt I spotted the error part. Use only subjective case of pronoun as a subject and use only objective case of pronoun as an object. So put linking verb according to the subjective case of pronoun, not according to object. Put linking verb according to subject, like I am reading a book. Now this sentence is right. Use I am, not me is reading a book. Now here, second sentence, the teacher called I. I can see here, the teacher called I. The teacher is your noun phrase. The teacher is your noun phrase, and in that noun phrase, the is a definite article, and the teacher, you know well, is a noun which modifies noun. Okay, the teacher. The modified teacher article modify noun. The teacher is your noun phrase and working as a subject in this sentence. Call, here see, call, man verb. Call man verb, and here I. What is that? This is object but pronoun. Okay, this is an object but pronoun object of man verb. And where is the error part? This is the error part. Why this is the error part? Just I told you, use objective case of pronoun as an object and subjective case of pronoun as a subject. Like I am reading a book, not me is reading a book. Here use objective case of pronoun, that is me, and this is the error part. The teacher called me. This is the right use. The teacher called me, not teacher called I. This is an objective case of pronoun I. So no doubt, another sentence is right. The teacher called me. Don't say called I. As for the error part, here third one. And the third one is based on another golden rule of English grammar. So don't miss the end here. He confessed to steal the money. He confessed to steal the money. Okay, here. He confessed to steal the money here. He. First you have to here see he is a pronoun and working as a subject in the sentence he. Confessed, man verb. This is your man verb, and here preposition. And now here see, this is your verb. Okay, he confessed to steal the base form of verb and the money. Again here noun phrase. And in that noun phrase, this is your definite article. For article, I will use only letter A, and this is your money, only noun, and which is modifying noun money. The modify money, article modify noun, and here noun phrase. And where is the error part in the third sentence? Here, this is your error part. I spotted the wrong part. I spotted the error part in third sentence. And which rule followed by third sentence? Here see. Here see. The second golden rule of English grammar. If any preposition is followed by verbs. If any preposition is followed by verbs, then the verb should be only in gerund form. This is the golden rule of English grammar. Listen carefully. If any preposition, if the preposition is followed by verbs, then the verb should be only in gerund form. That means ing form. In that gerund forms, verb works as a noun. Okay, let's see here. He confessed to, here this is your preposition, just I told you, to. Okay, he confessed to steal, this is your verb. And here see, preposition is followed by verb, base form of verb. And in that case, if the preposition is followed by any verbs, the verb should be only in gerund form, ing form. This is the error part. Don't use to steal, use stealing. Okay, use stealing. Like now the sentence is right. Like he confessed to stealing the money. This is the gerund form. Okay, he confessed to stealing the money, and here object of preposition because this is followed by preposition. So when I changed a verb to gerund form, the ing form, it starts working as a noun, and that's why here object of preposition. Okay, he confessed to stealing the money. Again here see, this is also an object. This is also an object of what? Stealing. He confessed to stealing the money. He confessed to stealing the money. I told you everything. I spotted the error part. Okay. He confessed to stealing the money here. The money is your object. First, see this stealing is an object of preposition, and this noun phrase is an object of verb in form of verb gerund stealing. Okay, there are two objects in this sentence. First one, stealing is an object of preposition to, and this noun phrase the money is an object of gerund stealing. Okay, the in form of steal. And I spotted the error part and know the golden rule. If any preposition is followed by any verbs, the verb should be only in gerund form, that means ing form. Okay, and this is the golden rule. And now let's see the second and third. The next example based on this golden rule. Sentences here. Fourth one. She is averse to lying. And fourth and fifth, both are based on second golden rule, and just I told you the second golden rule. And here listen carefully again. If any preposition, if the preposition is followed by any verbs, the verb should be only in gerund form, and this is the second golden rule. And in that gerund form the verbs works as a noun. So here she is averse to lying. Here she, first she is a pronoun. Okay, she is a pronoun and works as a subject in this sentence, and is your what? Is your linking verb. Okay, she is averse to lying. Here averse, adjective, averse to lying. Here see, this is your preposition, and here this is your what? This is the gerund form of verb lying. She is averse to lying. She, your pronoun and working as a subject here in this sentence is linking verb. She is averse. She is averse, adjective, to lying. This is your preposition, and the preposition is followed by gerund. And in this sentence there is no error part because here the verb is already in gerund form, so we don't need to change it to gerund form. And here she is averse to lying. This is an object of preposition. Okay, now let's see here. Fifth one, I object to go out in the rain. I object to go out in the rain. Here I, first see I pronoun, okay, and working as a subject. Object your main verb. Object your main verb to. Again here preposition, and just I told you the second golden rule. If the preposition is followed by any verb, this is your verb, the base form of verb. If the preposition is followed by any verb, the verb should be only in gerund form. So guys, my dear students, I object to go out. This is your adverb. I object to go out in. Again here, second preposition, the rain noun phrase. And in that noun phrase, this is your definite article and noun which modify noun, the modifier and article modify noun. And here this is your error part. I object to, like just I told you, if any preposition is followed by verb, the verb should be only in gerund form, and this is the error part. So remove go and write going. Change go into gerund form, ing form, and then it works as a noun. This is an object now, object of preposition. Going. I object to going out in the rain. And here see, this is your noun phrase. So here again preposition is followed by noun phrase. This is again an object of preposition. So I spotted the error part, and in fourth example there is no error part. The verb is already in gerund form, noun form, that is here in gerund form. This is in gerund form. I object to going out in the rain. She is averse to lying. Here subject, linking verb, adjective, and to lying. Preposition is followed by gerund. I object to going out in the rain. Not I object to go out in the rain. So my dear friends, and I told you everything about first and second golden rule of English grammar. And follow for more golden rules and learn everything in English. So hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching my videos and share. Bye bye.